All right, boys, here we are. It's been a little while in between fishes. Unfortunately, obviously, we've had a lot of that rain, but just stopping quickly because I always do this, boys. So it's a bit of a safety check. Use it if you want or not. After I've done a little bit of a run, I'll always just check in the engine bay there, just to check that no clamps have come undone, that there's no water, not too much water in there that shouldn't be in there, and that just gives me a little bit of confidence before heading out. So anyway, so we'll head out. The goal is Who today, so hopefully get straight into some. Wouldn't mind the Spanish as well. It's been a little while since I've got my last fish, so yeah, I'll take anything. Anyway, boys, thanks for watching. A bit of a quick intro for you, and I'll see you when we're out there. This is why I didn't want to fish super early morning. There's a lot of shit in the water. Connect a big log like that and you're gonna know about it. Check out this color change here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Alright, here we are at the beginning of the trawl run, and the water is like brackish. It is like literally brown, like brown. So anyway, so I'm going to put the lures out to start the trawl run. Yeah, I'll be surprised if I get something in this. I reckon it'll clear up where I'm planning to go, but yeah, interesting. There's probably a big layer of this brown water on top, and hopefully it's fairly clean underneath. But I mean, it's warm enough. It's 23.5. Oh, purple and this sort of water looks awesome. So yeah, so lure color, I reckon the water like this actually plays a bit of a factor. Dark water, dark colors is what I'm going with today. Big here, Chucks. Big here, Chucks. Oh, tuna, I reckon. Oh no, what is that? Look at this water, bro. Oh, you're joking. It's a fucking donkey. Nut tuna. Yeah, it's breaking all over. Oh, fuck. Double. Come on, man, let's go, come on. Bro, check. No, this is hectic. Tuna. That one. big head shape. This is 100% a tuna. But that other one, oh, I'm keen to have a look at the teeth marks on the lure. Come on. Oh, that was a fucking poo or something, man. Oh. It's still there. What the hell? Massive Spanish. Bro. Oh. Oh man. Big Spanish. I was literally just sitting there. I can't, I've had that many hookups, I can't really remember, but I'm pretty sure I was just sitting there letting the other lure out, and bang, this next thing, screaming reel. Thought it was off. Was going to put the other line back out, and then it screamed again. Fucking here we are. There's a lot of sharks in this area. Fuck me, man, come on. It's a big Spanish, bro. Come on. I'm just going to tow him down current. So this is a trick taught to me by Rod Walmsley. Let's see if it works out. So the idea is you tow a big fish like this down deep, you tow it with the current, and technically they can't breathe as well swimming with the current as they do into the current. So hopefully gives me a bit of line. So Rod has said that even if they take a bit of line, that's fine. Just keep driving away from them and you'll pull them. Oh bro, this is a big Spanish. I saw it up top. It literally came straight at me, right at the top. Come on. I need to get him in before he gets sharked. Hard to tell if it's a trick that works or whether he's just getting tired. Bro, this is a big Spanish. You're kidding me. Fuck, every bit of line I just got, gone. You should be pretty gassed now, you'd think. You would think. Whoa. Come on. Come on. It's so hard not to just like try to force it here. But it's a big fish. It is a big fish. And I want it in. Alright, that FG there looking alright. Looking alright. I can't believe they're Spanish in this water though. That's a real surprise. There he is. You literally can't even see it. Oh. Fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Bro. That is a big, bro, that is a chunky Spanish, man. That is a big Spanish. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bro, that is insane. That is my biggest Spanish, I reckon, ever. That is every bit, I reckon, of 15, 20 every day of the week, bro. Oh my gosh. That is an absolute monster. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh my God. Bro, that is insane. Oh my goodness. That is ridiculous, bro. Bro, and the hookup. That is insane. That's my PB Spanish, boys. You are kidding me. An absolute donkey of a Spanish. Look at the tail on that thing. Every bit of 20 kg, I reckon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a hoot. That's a hoot. That's a fucking hoot on. Both of these here. I fucking lose both of them. Oh, there we go. I'm doubled up on tangled, bro. So just back off. I'm going to try to get them untangled and then I'll give you a rod. Joe, I got a big 20 kg one. Massive thing, dude. Let's see it. Bro, this is fucked. I don't know which way. I'm gonna fucking lose these things, bro. Oh. Nearly. Oh, bro, it's done. It's over. It's done. Alright, come this side of me. This far side. Yeah, yeah. Bro, it's fucking mayhem out there. Oh, you're kidding. It's a fucking tuna. The decent ones around, right?
Oh, they're fucking everywhere. Like yeah, my fish bag is full.
Well, it's good to. It's fucking weird that they're in this water, eh?
Yeah, it's nice. Like, yeah.
Alright, bro, I'll see you in there. Johnny Costello. How you going?
We're just going to go out for a troll because of small stuff.
Yeah. Oh man. How's the trip around?
So good.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, no, looks awesome. Sorry for the lack of an outro there, boys, but got a bit carried away. But that top thing, so Mitch was actually lovely enough to give me a second Spanish, but how is the slob on top? He's not all that long, like he's probably 125-ish, but just so thick. Look at that. That is awesome. He's an absolute horse. I would like to weigh him, but don't bring scales with me, so the brag mat's probably the closest thing we're going to get. But that is absolutely awesome. So stoked with that. Oh fuck. Do you do any fishing?
Yeah, I'm from Brisbane. They
Yeah, okay.
down there.
Yeah.
Is this what you got on the jet ski?
On the jet ski, yeah.
Wow. Well, brother, you have a good afternoon.
See you, mate. You too. Let's drive back to Brisbane.
Yeah, mate.